Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you 5 English words or expressions for the day which you can use in your everyday English. I hope you will find them useful. So let's get started. First word in our list is something to chew on. It means to think about something before making a decision. Here are a few examples. Our extension plans are great, but we need to chew on it before we give them the go ahead. It's going to be fun to go for a long bike ride this weekend. Let's not chew on it anymore. Second word in our list is waffle on. To waffle on means to talk and talk without saying anything very useful or interesting. Here are a few examples. I think I did really bad in the interview. I wasn't sure how to answer the questions, so I just waffled on. Meetings with Sumit are frustrating. He always waffles on about unimportant things. Third word in our list is skew whiff. We use it to describe things that aren't quite straight or not quite as they should be. We can also use skew whiff to describe things that don't go according to plan. Here are a few examples. This table is skew whiff. One of the legs must be too short. I wanted to spend the whole weekend working on my project, but everything went a bit skew whiff when my laptop broke down this afternoon. Fourth word in our list is to play a blinder. To play a blinder is a phrase used to describe an amazing display of skill, usually in sports. You can also play a blinder in work or business context, or anything that involves skill and performance. Here are a few examples. Kohli played a blinder today in the cricket final. What a simply amazing performance. Darren, what an awesome presentation. You played a blinder, I'm sure. We have just won some new clients. Fifth and the last word in this video is miffed. To feel miffed is to feel frustrated or annoyed, usually because of the behavior of other people. Here are a few examples. I have been working really late all week to finish this proposal, but my file got corrupted and I don't have any backup data too, so I'm very miffed today. She was pretty miffed with the waiter's attitude. He ruined her whole evening. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time with 5 other English words for the day. Until then, take care. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Like, share and press the bell icon to get the regular updates.